What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video right here on Jasmy. We're back again. In general, I try to keep you updated on Jasmy and there's again price action we need to discuss. So that's what we'll do in this video. We're going to do a full update here on Jasmy. We're again at that crucial level right here. Which, well, if you're new to the channel, first of all, welcome. But second of all, I mean, if you zoom all the way out for Jasmy here, so if you look at the higher time frames, like the most important support level, in my opinion, is right here around 1.6, a little bit higher, 1.6 cents, right? So that's 0.016. But that's the most important level in my opinion. And so far, as you can see on the daily time frame, we have found support in that general area, in the major fair value gap we left as well, right here at the beginning of May. But look, we have found support there, but the support we found last time, and you can also see that with the volume right here, which was much lower. The volume we had last time was definitely not great. The bounce was lower. As you can see, we found resistance at the 200 EMA right here. Did not even reach the point of control right here at around 2.1 cents. And then outside of that, the fundamental situation right now around the markets is obviously not great. Market is pushing down a little bit this morning, as you can see, or you can better see that right here. So the big question again is, well, is Jasmy going to be able to hold this level? And in my opinion, the answer, after everything I've just said, might be a little bit shocking, but in my opinion, the answer is still yes. All right, and that's for two major reasons, and that doesn't mean that I will buy Jasmy there. All right. Just for the record, will I buy Jasmy there? No. The only way in which I would buy Jasmy there is if, and I'll check if I can see whether we actually have done that before. Yeah, is if we do something like this, right? So if we drop down below that level and then reclaim it with quite a lot of volume as well, which is what we did right here, then I will buy Jasmy, right? But just buying naked with a limit order, I won't. Now, why do I still think that we're going to hold that though? It's for two reasons. On the higher time frames, I think we will. It's for two reasons. First of all, it's an amazing support level, right? I mean, on the 12-hour time frame, you can see, especially down towards 1.6 cents, we have an untouched fair value gap. The last time we bounced from this fair value gap right here around 1.7, but we still have one that's left untouched. On the daily time frame, it looks like the same one. Isn't the truth. And then outside of that, it's a major support level, and it lines up perfectly with a major support level for others. All right, and others, which is basically a gauge on how to see how the altcoin market is doing, is still, first of all, in an uptrend. And like I said, there is this major support level right here at $250 billion, which lines up very well with support for Jasmy. So therefore, look, do I think Jasmy is strong in any shape or form? Definitely not. But I do think ultimately, when push comes to shove, we'll find support in this area around 1.6. Maybe we'll spike down towards 1.5 cents, where we have that 90-day rolling VWAP. Is a possibility, and if you do want to buy at that level, I would suggest to buy spot, and don't over leverage, or if you over leverage, use a wide stop loss, and a lower position size, of course. Otherwise, you are over leveraging. But I do think that ultimately we'll find support at that level, and that will still get up to at least 2.1 cents once more. So those are my thoughts. Now, does it have anything to do fundamentally with Jasmy? No, this is purely a technical decision, and fundamentally based on what I expect from altcoins, right? So that is true, but still, like I said, Jasmy itself is not that strong, but I do expect some more strength soon. I'll keep you updated on this whenever necessary, but for now, I think that's what you need to know. Take care, all right? Like I said, the fundamentals around the markets are still quite tricky, but that's what I think you need to know for now. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.